Oh, there's Heather. Good morning, Heather. How are you this morning? I probably will turn it over to you for the initial presentation, and you represent the Mexico Area Chamber of Commerce. Ladies and gentlemen, Heather DeMent.
This is good. Oh, photo op. Very good. There we go. All right.
Can I get another photograph?
Yeah, of course.
I'm sorry that I steered you, but I do that. I'm next. Don't get in front of me, John.
You're going to have to do an interview for me. No bad feelings about the Japanese or anything?
Oh, no. I love it.
That's great. So, can you summarize your experience with the Viking engine?
I was really impressed from the time he first started it up. I've always flown air coops and other airplanes, small planes, but and we've looked at several of the other engines. In fact, we were thinking about putting a Cessna 150 engine in the plane we're building, until this one came along.
Okay.
I think this is going to really take some look at.
That's great.
I love it.
Great.
Thank you so much for the opportunity to get in it.
Great. Thank you. Great.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Appreciate it. Appreciate it too.
So, how was your flight?
It was awesome. It was really great. The Viking performed awesome. It was awesome power, and it was really smooth, and I loved it.
Very good. And are you considering one for your plane? What type of plane?
Yeah, I have a 701, and yes, I am. I'm committed to the Viking engine with my 701.
Very good. Great.
Hey, John.
You have to introduce yourself to the camera.
I'm Fred Stratton from Sheldon, Iowa.
Hey, Fred, thank you for flying with me.
Oh, thank you for the ride.
Yeah.
It's
And
great.
What's your story, Fred?
I was amazed at how quiet and smooth the engine is. I took my headphones off several times at different power levels, and John and I were able to carry on a conversation like we did in the old days before we had all the headphones and mics.
Now, you already have a 750 almost built?
My 750 is on wheels. I need an engine mounted and need to build the wings. Those are the large parts still to come.
Can you help me with us?
Yeah, let's get a picture here for this man.
What was your impression? I mean, it's Japanese in there.
I love Japanese.
Oh, you do? Okay.
I ride a big Suzuki Bergman, my Japanese Mini Cooper Turbo. No, I love it. Grandpa wants one.
Wow.
Thanks
That's
for the
great.
ride again.
So it was good. Was it smooth and everything?
Yeah, it's smooth. He's a good pilot. Good plane. This is the plane I'm going to build. And do I need to sign a release to get on TV and everything?
Oh, no.
First time in the 750.
Yes. I was very impressed of how smooth the engine was. I kept putting my hand on the dash and the frame, and it just seemed to run real smooth. It even though it was a little turbulent up there because of the mid-D heat, it seemed to. Sometimes I get a little nervous when it starts bouncing around, but the plane was so smooth, I didn't feel that. I felt even though I was getting bumped a little bit, it still felt smooth and comfortable.
Great.
So I was impressed. It's on my top of my list of possible engine choices for mine.
Great. Thank you.
Thank you.
How did you like the ride? You know,
It's fun. I took him up around the paddock. He loved it. But, that's his opinion. We'll see what he says.
okay.
Engine had all the power we needed, nice and smooth. Didn't have any noise issues. It's several different settings. It's a nice engine.
Great.
Nice price.
Nice price too. Great.
Full package is great.
Great. Okay. Thank you. Great.
No problem.
How did you like the flight?
The flight was great. Thank John for the flight. He's got a really great engine there, and I think, as he says in his advertising, it is the engine for the future. Honda builds great engines, and John has the experience to make it work.
That's great.
What did you feel about getting signed up by the Viking girl today?
Well, it was a real pleasure.
How about that engine now?
Oh, it's smooth and powerful. I like it. Yeah, there's no question.
That's great.
I don't know a lot about them, but it appears to be a good candidate.
Great. Great. How was your experience?
Oh, very good.
Very good.
Yeah.
Okay.
Very nice one.
Very good. Okay.
my friend John.
Hello, John.
If you don't mind, do you mind giving a little interview about the flight?
I don't mind.
He doesn't mind.
Okay, ask him some questions.
Well, I'm Jan.
Roger.
Nice giving you the flight.
Okay.
What's your?
Getting into it.
You've never had a flight in a Zenith 750
No, I haven't
before?
been. No, I haven't been in Zenith 750 before.
And with the engine, was it enough power, you think?
Yeah, enough power and nice and quiet, no vibration.
Okay.
With the Honda engine.
Yeah?
Yeah, I like Hondas. I got Honda cars, you know.
All right, well, we really appreciate giving you a ride.
Okay, thank
And
you,
we'll
Jan.
show you the engine in a little bit.
Okay, thank you.
Yep.
Thank you.
Have a good flight.
I did.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
We appreciate your experience and the little that you flew, like your feelings about the 750 and the Viking engine.
Well, I decided on a Viking engine a while back, so one is on order. So, you know, I'm just glad that I was able to finally fly behind one, and it was everything that I hoped it would be. I mean, it smooth, felt smooth.
Now you're doing a 650 tail dragger?
That's right.
Yeah. How did you like that?
Oh, I liked it a lot.
We appreciate you going with us.
Very smooth and very nice flight.
Hey, John. We just came back. I forget your name?
Jerry.
Jerry.
Sarin. Jerry
Okay.
Sarin from New Harmony, Utah.
What are you building?
A 750.
Okay.
Yes, I am.
You like the way the engine performed?
I did. Yes. Good power. Good quiet running and vibration free. It suit me just fine.
Great. That was my only question. That's great. Thank you.
So am I a movie star now?
It was wonderful. It takes off the ground with today's wind, probably under 50 feet. It was just amazing. Climb out, very smooth. Handled the turbulence very well. The engine was very smooth.
All right. Any first impressions?
Oh, you
I love it. I do. I love it.
Great. Are you building a 750 or a 601?
Yeah, I'm building a 750.
750. All right. And you haven't decided on your engine yet?
Oh yeah, it's coming next month.
All right.
Viking.
That's great.
How did you enjoy flying it? Was it any? Did you think it had enough power?
More power than I thought it had.
Oh, really?
Yeah, the way it kicked it, it jumped right off the ground.
Shook a lot though.
No, it didn't shake at all. I didn't think it shook hardly any.
So you like it?
Oh yeah, I haven't flown one this smooth.
Well, we enjoyed giving you a ride.
Oh, I love
and
it.
We'll send you an engine next month.
I hope so.
All right.
And tell your friends and neighbors too.
I do. I tell
Okay.
everybody. I do.
Thank you.
You bet.
Now, I forgot your name.
Brad.
Oh, Brad. And you're doing a 750?
750, yes, sir.
Okay. And you and me just came back from flying, and what did it feel like?
Very nice. Smooth. Very smooth. Quiet. And powerful, too.
Okay. So enough power for the airplane?
Oh, yeah. I think so. Plenty.
Hey, John? You said your brother would go as well? Yeah. Okay. This is John from Home Help. John, nice to meet you,
Nice
sir.
to meet
What's your
you.
name?
Rick Basham.
It was a pleasure flying with you.
My pleasure with you. Thank you.
And you said you working on an 801 project?
Right.
And how did you like your first flight in a 750 Zenith? And also, what was your feelings about the engine, the Viking engine?
Incredibly smooth, very stable. I mean, didn't jerk, jump, anything. Nice, very nice.
Now you're pointing. That's all he gives us.
I just decided.
So we're gonna go?
How did you enjoy the flight?
Oh, I had an absolutely great time.
That's great. All right. And the engine's okay?
Oh, engine is perfect.
Great.
It should have too.
Very good. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, I would too.
It's okay. Let's do this first.
That's right.
So, how are your impressions?
Very smooth. I like the engine.